All right, we're going to be looking at a prism, and we're going to be looking at the volume of that prism. Okay, so here's a single centimeter cubed, and now we have a whole bunch of them. Okay, and there we are. So this is going to be the bottom of the prism. Okay, this is going to be the base of the prism, and we're looking at the first centimeter squared of height of that prism, right? So we're talking about a layer that's 1 centimeter thick, and the base of the prism is like 50 centimeters, sorry, is 10 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Okay, so the base is 50 centimeters squared. All right, and then so we have, and each, if you're looking at the base, each of these little squares here is the top of a cube, right? Or if you're looking at it from the bottom, it's the bottom of a cube. All right, but since we're looking at it from the top here, we could say that each little square here in the 50 centimeters squared is the top of a cube. So we end up with 50 centimeters cubed in the first layer. Okay, now we're going to make a larger prism than this, so we're going to have many layers. Let's see what happens. So each time we add a layer, we're adding another 50 centimeters cubed. Okay, so if we have if the height is 8 centimeters, it's like we have 8 layers. So the volume is going to be the area of the base, and remember the area of the base happens to be the same as the volume of the first centimeter, right, or the first layer, and we have 8 layers. So it's the area of the base times height. All right, and that's why the volume of a prism is always the area of the base times height. All right, and that's true not just for rectangular-based prisms, but all prisms. Okay, even circular-based prisms, which we call cylinders. All right, have a good day.